Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the convergence range for this geometric series is fast. We will apply the ratio test to find the interval for x now. First, recognize that this is a geometric series where the common ratio is -1 times the quantity 3x plus 1. For convergence, the absolute value must be less than 1. Next, we set up the inequality where the absolute value of -3x minus 1 is less than 1. This simplifies to -1 is less than 3x plus 1. Subtract 1 from all sides. -2 less than 3x less than 0. Dividing by 3 gives the final answer, option D. Well done! Scan now. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps to find the correct interval for x.